the International Olympics Committee allowed biological male boxer from Algeria, Imane Khalif, in the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris, the event has become mired in controversy following a backlash in women's boxing match. Imane Khalif, man-turned-woman from Algeria, defeated Italy's Angela Carini with a knockout in just 48 seconds with two powerful blows, leaving Carini bleeding and with a broken nose, forcing her to quit, shattering her dreams. The Italian boxer collapsed to her knees and sobbed uncontrollably in the middle of the ring, triggering a huge outrage online. After the fight, Carini, visibly disturbed and hurt, refused to accept Khalif's victory and walked out of the ring without shaking hands. In a post-match statement, Carini expressed her anguish and dissatisfaction, calling attention to the urgent need for fair competition rules. The controversy has intensified concerns about gender equity in sports. The discussion surrounding gender and sports eligibility continues to intensify as the Olympics in Paris progress, leaving a lasting impact on the sports world. The controversy of the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris underscores a critical issue in sports. People often overlook the natural physiological advantages of biological males even when facing physical and hormonal alterations. The swift defeat of Italian boxer Angela Carini by Algerian opponent Imane Khalif, despite undergoing hormone therapies, still retains masculine genetic traits, demonstrates that these changes do not fully balance the physical prowess and power between biological men and women. Hormonal adjustments may not be enough to bridge the gap between physical advantage and competitive equity, raising fundamental concerns about justice and equality in professional sports. Italy's Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni spoke out, condemning the fight as fundamentally unfair. At a meeting in Paris with Italian athletes, Meloni declared it is inappropriate for athletes with male genetic traits to participate in women's sports. Her statement, widely shared on social media, criticized the current state of women's sports and promised to support Carini in achieving true equality. In the wake of the controversy, the Algerian Olympic Committee rushed to defend Khalif, labeling the criticism as an international attempt to discredit their athlete. They claimed the backlash was wrong and defended Khalif's right to compete, stating, "This is a targeted attack by foreign media." Similar to Meloni, Elon Musk and former US President Donald Trump announced that he would forbid men from participating in women's sports if he won, further escalating the situation. On his Truth Social network, Trump vowed, "I will keep men out of women's sports." Moreover, prominent figures like J.K. Rowling criticized the Olympics for allowing a biological male to compete against female athletes, calling the decision a disgrace. Expressing his dissatisfaction with the International Olympic Committee response, he said, "A young female boxer has had everything taken from her because you let a man enter the ring with her." Pertinently, the International Olympic Committee deemed Khalif eligible to box in the women's competition in Paris and defended their decision, calling the IBA's move arbitrary. Releasing a statement, IOC stated, "These two athletes were the victims of a sudden and arbitrary decision by the IBA, as back in 2023, the IBA World Championships had suddenly disqualified Khalif due to elevated testosterone levels. Despite the disqualification, the IOC allowed Khalif to compete in Paris, claiming that the IBA's disqualification was arbitrary and lacking due procedure, justifying its own decisions."